Upper Blinkwater is a village in the Eastern Cape, South Africa. It is a logging and livestock farming community. The village, located 90 kilometers from Fort Beaufort, has 350 rural households. The area is deeply rural and has no access to the national electricity grid, and the community has never had access to any electricity. A plan supported by the United Nations Development Programme was developed to create a mini-grid to provide electricity to the community. A hybrid system of 6 3.5 kilowatt Kestrel wind turbines, combined with 50 kilowatts of solar panels, has now been able to provide electricity to the entire community. The system was completed and commissioned in 2022 and has been handed over to the local municipal department. This will make a huge impact on the lives of the residents of the village. It will add to their economic opportunity, quality of life, connectivity and communication, as well as offer multiple other development opportunities. This is a great example of how a hybrid system can successfully light up the lives of rural communities where the national grid will never reach due to economic considerations. This is a model that can be applied across all regions to improve and add value to such rural communities. Kestrel, which is one of the world's best micro wind turbines in this category, is proud to be a part of this project, which would add value and improve the quality of life of people who have been left behind in terms of a basic need: electricity.